Hello guys! Today I will show you how to create a gingerbread house. For this artwork we need white and brown paper. Take brown paper as a base, preferably thick paper. Draw a simple silhouette of house on it and then cut it out. The roof of the house is better to cut curly scissors. If you don't have them, you can use regular ones. Now we cut the attic window. Cut a white strip with curly scissors and then make an ornament of snowflakes. With a paper shapes, cut a hole punch. Glue it at the bottom of the house. Make curly white strip to the bottom of the roof. Next step is making the windows and door for our house. Glue paper tape with a snowflake ornament on the top of the roof. And last step is decorating of gingerbread house with snowflakes.
We are almost done. Please make your comments under the video and subscribe on my YouTube channel, that not to miss the new art lessons with me. Good luck and see you soon!